Alright, mate, yeah, how's it going?
Be selling weed.
Alright, yeah, sound, yeah, no bother. What you're after, like, a 5 bag or a 10er?
I was looking for 220s actually.
Oh, mate, sound, gonna have a proper session there.
Yeah.
Sound, mate.
The only thing is, I don't know where you are. Can you text me like a postcode and then I'll give you a bell when I'm up there? Is that right?
Oh, yeah, I just want to tell you about a couple of the special deals I've got on, mate.
Alright, no worries.
If you're buying 220 bags, I'm actually giving away 3 Capri Suns and some Ribena. Just a box of Ribena, if you want them free.
No, it's alright, mate.
Do you like bounties, mate?
Not really, no.
Oh, you can resist the taste of
Just after that,
Can you resist the taste of paradise, mate?
what, sorry?
Can you resist the taste of paradise?
Sometimes I can. I'm not really a fan.
Ah, sound, mate. Here, mate. Here. Do you watch that thingy? You know, that show? Where they all probably just go mental in that. Shameless.
Some items, yeah.
Ah, it's alright there. I know someone who's like him off Shameless, me. He's into his weed and that. I'm not really into the weed, me. I started off on that, but you need to be careful, mate, because it's a slippery slope, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
If you...
The thing is, I don't know where you are. Can you text me, can you say like street name or postcode?
Yeah, of course, mate. All it is that when about 15 years ago I started off on the weed, and I do this safety disclosure before I give you any, because I want to know that I've give you the right safety precautions, mate.
Alright, mate, no, it's about that. That's all I do, and I'm good. I'm not gonna move on.
Ah, good, because I don't want you ending up like me, mate, because I've had to, like, sell me body and that for smack, you know, for gear, and I don't want you ending up like that.
Alright, no.
You know, I've, like...
Are you alright, mate? Are you okay, yeah? You don't have to deal with me if you don't want to.
Well, no, I'm happy to, mate. I just want you to be... I've got a conscience, mate, that's, you know, kind of...
Oh, well, I don't have anything else, so...
Oh, alright.
No worries right now.
Alright.
And I work,
Oh, do you work? Oh, I haven't worked for years, me. Apart from when I was, like, a prostitute. Yeah, have you been watching the game, mate?
It's hard to get a job, isn't it?
Yeah, have you been watching the game, mate?
Sorry?
Have you been watching the game? Not are you on the game?
Yeah, I watched, I didn't get to watch it tonight now because I've been out, but I just got back in and I'm probably going to watch the second half if I can.
Alright, mate, nice one. So, how come you use, like, weed and that, then?
Sorry?
How come you use weed and gear and that? How come you're into it? You're just bored?
I don't know, it probably started when I was younger.
Uh,
Ever since.
Because I can pretty much guarantee by the time you're 30, you'll be either dead in jail or have been bummed up the arse.
Oh. I hope not.
I hope not, mate, but, you know, I'm like pretty much like Mystic Meg when it comes to this type of stuff.
Alright.
So who put you on to me then, if you don't mind me asking, mate?
I got your number off a guy called Dave. I got it through a friend who knows a guy called Dave who buys off you.
Dave?
Yeah, Dave.
Oh, my Dave.
I don't know who he is, but he just said, because I'm looking to change dealer, really.
Well, who? Don't you like your current dealer, like?
Around, this guy, my friend, knows a guy called Dave, and Dave said,
Pardon, mate. I'll tell you where we can meet, mate.
okay.
Alright, the best place for me. Do you know Afghanistan?
I do know Afghanistan.
So, right, okay. As soon as you get in, you get the airport, mate. There's an alleyway on the left. Near the bloke's labs, mate. Take a left there, and I'll meet you round the back.
Where's this guy?
Just in Afghanistan, mate. Afghanistan International Airport.
I'm not really sure what's going on here, mate. I'm in Newcastle.
Oh, you're not. Oh, sorry, mate. I'm in Afghanistan. I have 4 meeting places around the world for dealing. One's in Egypt. One's in Dagenham. One's in Afghanistan. And one's on the moon, mate.
Right, okay. Well, looks like I can't meet you at any of those places.
Alright then. Unfortunately, I'm going to find it very, very, very difficult to get to Newcastle. For what? 60 quid? 80 quid?
Okay. Okay then, well, I guess I'll have to leave it then.
Alright, mate. I've got to go back to our lad anyway, because he's dying for me to munch him off, so...
Okay.
Alright, mate. Give me regards to Mad Dave, will ya?
Okay, we'll do.
Alright, mate. Hope you don't get bummed.
Cheers.
Oh dear.